It's best in this segment. Everyone telling that low quality remote, but it's not. It's good. Very good picture and sound quality for 25,000. Also got the 5-year panel warranty. Bought 43-inch 4K Dolby Atmos on 43-inch TV is not working even when selected in the sound settings while watching Netflix. Getting Dolby Atmos sound from my LG Dolby Atmos soundbar attached to the TV while watching Netflix. How can I get it corrected or the TV will be replaced? It's under 10D. Highly satisfied. Just awesome. Picture quality 5/5. Sound quality 5/5. Connectivity 5/5. Bezel-less design 5/5. Previously I was using Voo TV from last 4 years. I purchased Hisense 50-inch 4K TV in Amazon Prime Day sale and bought this TV in just 27,500 rupees. Hisense is far better than Voo TV. Just go for it without hesitation. Uploaded by playing 4K video on my delivered TV. Thanks Amazon for excellent delivery and everything. Recently I purchased two 50-inches TV, one is from LG, another is from Hisense. The difference between price is approx 12k. Both has almost same picture quality. Even Hisense has more application approach and sound. Picture 9/10 I will rate it 9. Because it has everything which is required in a good TV. Great contrast and brightness. Perfect combination. Sound 9/10. It is powered by 30-watt speaker with Dolby Atmos feature. If you like to check this feature you have to try it on Netflix. Or some clip which has been shoot with this feature. It is so loud, even you didn't require soundbar or home theater. Unless you are looking for beats with good bass. Interface 10 out of 10. It is very user friendly and fast enough load with plenty of app with 2GB RAM, great 16GB internal memory. Remote 6/10 remote is working great till now. But as mentioned in other reviews too, it doesn't seem durable. It costs sound too. May God bless the remote for good life. Screen mirroring, Chromecast 9/10. I tested it in my both TV. Hisense is beyond expectation, no hiccups at all as like LG TV. I am using Samsung Note 8. Screen mirroring is not compatible with LG TV. But great with Hisense. Warranty 10 out of 10. Whom get an introductory offer, 5-year warranty on panel. Wow. But I have some doubt about the response time by support team of Hisense as installation take plenty of time. Asterisk 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 asterisk. I wish our Indian brand could build like this with affordable price. Just wow, stunning. Amazing picture and sound quality at a reasonable price. Very smooth experience as it is a Google certified Android TV. Loved it. Amazing display and sound clarity is awesome. Atmos is working really good. Bezel-less display panel is having bottom corner little shadows are coming. Remaining everything is perfect. Made in India. I had made a research on buying the smart TV, finally decided to go for Voo brand but out of stock, made not to wait. But I had decided to buy Hisense with the product specifications. The first dual band wireless connectivity. I had connected to 4 GHz only but picture quality mind blowing. 4K picture quality excellent. And Dolby Atmos sound rocking, i.e. volume within 10 to 12 you doesn't require any external home theater. One touch access feature on remote is excellent. And the TV build quality is a very good. And wall mount bracket is very good. My overall experience for couple of days is rated 5/5. And my review will not stop here and will post after 1 month again. Click link in description for more reviews.